beautiful smile that brightens my day and night. Those lovely eyes are telling me that life is full of light. You are the remedy that fills my heart with love and happiness. You complete the fairy tale that my heart desires. You're my stars in the night, my beautiful moonlight that shines on me. Oh, this feeling is right for you, my stunning daylight. I'm gonna love you every day. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you every day. My vow to you is that we will be together until the end of time, embracing every morning with love for you. And I will never, never let you go. See your universe, it is captivating. That's how beautiful you are. Baby, I love you. Yesterday, tomorrow, today.